Bossing, pa-video lang kay Tatay, kay Idol Tatay. Ganda eh. Ano po tawag dyan? Longboard or? It's a longboard. Alright. Ulan. Good morning guys, happy weekend. It's been a while again since we had our last ride video. Nandito tayo sa Pilipinas kasama si Mami. They're on a break. So we're doing a very quick one lang dito sa Ayala na Car Free Sunday. So hindi pa niya na-experience to. Hindi siya masyado full biking gear, tinatamad siya magbihes. But nonetheless, importante, we'll have some breakfast today. And then we'll hit the road para pauwi rin maaga. Let's go! Let's roll! Okay, unang ride natin, sabak agad sa steep ramp. Ilang percent ba ito? Warm up tayo doon. Let's go! Yes! Finally, nakapag-ride si Mami. Kanina nagbabadya na namang umulan, buti na lang tinuloy pa rin namin kasi yan, lumalabas na si Haring Araw. So starting point, Glorieta. Let's see mga kailan laps tayo today. Let's go! Tayo magkano mo, Salma? Konting bike, daming lamon.
Even the weather sama walang araw.
Wala pa. Wala pa kasi may forecast ng 10 na uulan. So kaya na lang yan, chill lang yan. Kapat. Jeep, bahan ko lang yung bike mo ha. Ganda eh. Kita nyo yan guys. Parang SpongeBob. Parang SpongeBob yung kulay niya yun. Neon. Pero ganda, maganda. Maintaining 25. Tadej Pogacar, boss. Bukan natin abuli si Tadej. Tadej Pogacar win stage 8. Mabilis si Tadej, boss. Ay, doon akong kita sa camera, guys. Nakita niya si Tadej nasa Ayala. Iwanan natin. Ano po tawag dyan? Longboard or? Sa longboard. Alright. Cool. Electric longboard. So first time natin nakakita ng electric version. Alright. Let's go. Bilis din, ha? Tumatakbo ng mga 25 to 30 siguro yun. Start them yan, guys. How old are you? 9. Good job. Morning. Ayan, guys. So 9 pa lang siya. Pero naka road bike na siya. So for sure influence ni mommy and daddy. Riley, kamusta tayo? Kamusta tayo dyan? Let's go. Hi guys, so last loop para maka road to 15 kilometers. So nakailang ikot din kami dito, guys. So medyo konti na yung mga tao. Sun is starting to go out, to come out. So kaya allergic na sila. So good. Kami naman hindi kami nag-ride all the way. So malapit lang yung parking natin, One Ayala. So anytime pwede tayong bumolt out in case umulan, umaraw. But really enjoyed na makabalik sa road, lalong-lalo na kasama si Mami. So very rare occasions to, guys. So kaya susulitin natin. Let's go. Last lap. Last lap and then kain na, guys. Kain na. Ay, finally, guys. Si Tade, kuha na natin. Bossing, pa-video lang kay Tade, kay Idol Tade. Win stage 8 ng Ayala. And then si Vingegaard ang kasama natin, boss. Yung youngest rider na nakita natin, mas bata pa yata kanina, ito sa 9-year-old. Alright, putok na ang araw, guys. Time to go home. Let's go. Hi guys, balik na tayo sa parking. Gradual naman to eh. Okay, so basement 2 ng One Ayala, guys. Papunta tayo doon. So pwede na pala mag-park dito na maaga. So if you're intending to go sa Car Free Sunday, kaya lang hindi ko maintindihan ba basement 2. Pwede naman sa basement 1. So ayaw nila mapuno siguro kagad dito dahil then magbubukas na yung mall. Let's go! Baka kami nag-park, hindi na rin matandaan na yun. Yes! We're back, guys! Woohoo! Hi! Alright. We did... Oh, wow! 16 kilometers, guys. So, not bad for a comeback ride. Ito, after dalawang buwan yata. Pause and then stop and ride. Yes. So 16 pareho. Let's go! Breakfast time! we're done for today. Heading to
Kainan.
our breakfast. Ang breakfast natin, ma?
Diyan lang, tabi-tabi.
Lapas. Bahala na on what comes first sa madadaanan namin. Heading back home. Maraming salamat po for staying with us. Till the next one. Bye-bye! Breakfast time! Thanks, Jack. Let's go! Done with the breakfast. Going home.